Hey y'all, what's up? My name is Claire. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. It's great to have you. Today I'm actually getting ready and I'm going bowling with some friends tonight, so I figured I'd do a quick little get ready with me in under 10 minutes. That's going to be my goal. You will tell by the title of this video if I get there or not, but I have to be gone. Like, we're meeting at 7 and right now it's 6:38, so this is a little bit of a challenge. But honestly, when I'm just doing my makeup and I don't focus so much on filming, typically get things done in under 10 minutes no matter how much makeup I put on. So we're gonna go ahead and like jump right into it, and I'm just gonna show how I really do get ready in 10 minutes and when I want to do a quick little face beat, you know what I'm saying? Primer that I'm going to be using today is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, and so I'm just going to take a little bit of that on my hands and just apply that all on my face. The foundation today, I'm going to be using the Shape Tape in Light Medium Honey, and I actually just filmed a video using this the other day. And I have on fake tan right now. I'm wearing fake bake, so if you can tell, my neck and everything is much darker than my face, and this is a foundation that I use when I have a tan. If I use this for my normal skin, it would look so bad because my normal skin's like the color of my face right now. I have the most baby hairs. So yeah, I typically just use this little wand stick to just kind of move it all around my face, and this is a matte foundation. And I do notice it kind of does dry pretty quickly, but we're going to just use a Morphe Y6 brush to just blend that out. Okay, now that we have the foundation on, as you can see, I look kind of dark, and so I'm going to use Shape Tape Concealer, and this is in the shade Fair Beige, and I barely have any of this stuff left. I've been using the Born This Way concealer, but I cannot find it right now. It is over here, but it's just, I need to re-clean my makeup table area. Let me know if y'all would like to see me film that. I'm going to use a little bit of this to kind of brighten the under eye, just because my face is really matte and very dark. I still want to have a little bit of brightness going on, so I'm just going to take like about that same amount on both sides of the under eyes. As you can see, there's like barely any product. A little bit on the forehead and a little bit on the chin. I'm actually going to go right back in with that Y6 brush and just kind of blend that out. Now we're going to go ahead and bronze really quickly. This kit right here from the Casey Holmes and Physicians Formula Collab is just bomb if you just want something that has like everything you need in one little kit. And so I'm just going to bronze my face. And again, this is a quick makeup look, quick little glam sesh. So we're not going to full on contour. We're just going to do as you would do if you had to be somewhere in like 20 minutes. Because I'm going to be bowling and I'm not going to be sweating and I'm not going to be out late, I'm not actually going to put any setting powder because I don't really want it to have that cakey look to it right now, and I don't want it to look super duper matte and like I have an over amount of makeup on. So I normally don't skip that step, but today I am. And I'm actually going to go ahead and go into the blush in this collab. It's super pretty, just like a true red pink. I love it. See, it just makes you look like you're just awake. And I'm using that same brush. And this is from Sephora, from like, I've had this since like 9th grade, honestly. And I'm going for more of a naturally look. I typically like to use a powder on my brows so they're not like super like drawn on. And I'm going to go into this Foolproof brow powder from Benefit, and this is the part of the Desi Perkins collab, and this is in the shade 4, I believe. And so I like to just use a powder when I'm doing this because I can basically just fill in my brows and make them look more natural rather than, you know, super intense, because this is gonna be more of a natural look today. And so this is what I do. I just start with the top and I just kind of like line it out, and then I typically will kind of just go to the bottom and kind of line it out, make it more thick, like however the thickness I want it to be. And I don't go all the way like starting in the inner corner, kind of start just around almost the center, and then I just kind of work it out and just kind of pull it out. And then I'll take the lighter shade in the pack and just fill in more in the front. And then just do upward strokes so it looks more natural. We are flying through this, y'all. Now that brows are on, we're gonna do the lid. I'm trying to think of like how I want to go about this. Like, what kind of look do I actually want to do. I want it to be super simple, but still like kind of pretty, you know what I'm saying. So I think the first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go back into that bronzer, the Hoola bronzer. And this is something I typically will use if I'm just doing a quick little brown natural eye. And I'm just going to take that with a Morphe 330 brush and just apply that all in the crease. It just gives you a nice little neutrally transition crease shade, and it's very soft. And I kind of like the light look that we have going on right now, so I think I'm going to go into the shade Blush in this Kylie Cosmetics Valentine collab, and it's just like a golden bronzy color. And so I'm just going to take that with a Morphe M321 brush, and I'm just going to apply this all over the lid. And y'all have heard me talk about this palette. The shimmers are very like sheer but kind of like glittery, and they just remind me of like Beyonce kind of, because she always has that shimmery sheer eye look going on. Not that I look like Beyonce, I wish I did, but that's the vibe we're going for. And so just gonna apply that all over the main parts of the lid. Pretty. Okay, now just to deepen it up a little bit, I'm going to go into the shade Admire right here. It's just like a deeper, more chocolatey brown. And I'm taking a super light hand into that. And just deepen up that outer corner and outer crease. Just outer corner and outer crease. And to kind of balance out where we deepened it up with Admire, I'm going to go back into Blush and make sure it didn't take over too much of Blush's thing that it's got going on. And now I'm going to just curl my lashes really quickly. And then after I do this, I'm going to do something that I typically do almost every single time. I'm going to go into a brush that has nothing on it. And this is the Morphe M505 brush. It's huge. And then I like to just go around the edges of the eyeshadow to make sure it's not choppy. You see, it just kind of like softens up the whole look, because I feel like that's a step that some of us always miss. And it like we forget to like blend it out on the outside. So that's something that I like to just make sure I do, because I don't like that choppy eye look. And then for mascara today, sorry, I'm like all over the place. Okay, I'm going to be going into the Voluminous Lash Paradise in the shade Mystic Black. And yeah, I'm doing just lashes today. I don't want to go do anything dark. This is a light look, a light beat. Do something super easy. And I really do like this mascara. I actually talked about this in a video the other day. It's one of my favorite things at the moment. I used to use it and then I quit, and now I'm back on it. See, they just look so like full. For it to be a drugstore thing, it's nice. I'm actually going to go back into that Physicians Formula and Casey Holmes collab, and the highlight in here is so golden and so pretty, and we're just going to pop that on the cheekbones. I'm running really late, guys. I forget how long it takes to film. Okay, beautiful. And then I'm going to pop a little bit of that in the inner corner. I know no one that I'm going bowling with is going to care, but I care. Just to kind of give us a little pop of something to look forward to in the inner corner. I'm gonna go into the Kylie Cosmetics Cocoa K Gloss. It's light, but it still has a nice color to it. And that is our finished look. And then to give me more of a little dewy finish, I'm gonna go in the Mario de Badescu facial spray. And we done. Okay, so that was it for today's video. I hope you really enjoyed. I know it was kind of all over the place, but that was literally me getting ready in like 10 minutes. It might have taken me a little bit longer with the filming and stuff, but yeah, it's just a simple little light glowy little beat. And yeah, I hope you really enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe. I post new videos 2 to 3 times a week. And yeah, I would love for you to join my fam and let me know what other suggestions you have for videos. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Mwah.